So, in 2024, Google introduced the Pixel 9 series on August 13th, with sales beginning just 9 days later. While the tech giant has yet to lock in a date for the Pixel 10 launch, industry chatter strongly suggests we'll see a repeat of that August rollout this year. Samsung might beat Google to the punch by unveiling the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 sometime in July. But when it comes to influence, all eyes will shift to the Pixel 10. This won't just be another smartphone drop. It'll signal the official start of the high-stakes late 2025 flagship season. And like previous years, the Pixel will likely be the benchmark others are judged against. Since its strategic reset with the Pixel 6 back in 2021, Google has reshaped its place in the Android landscape. The Pixel isn't necessarily the flashiest device on the market, but it's become the one that defines where the platform is headed, from software priorities to camera innovations and ecosystem integration. Whether you're looking at a Galaxy, a OnePlus, or even comparing to an iPhone, the Pixel remains the reference point. And that influence stretches further than just sales. Even users who never buy a Pixel are affected by the direction it sets, especially in user interface design and now artificial intelligence. The Pixel 10 will be the first phone out of the gate running Android 16. But it's more than just a version number. It'll debut Google's third-generation Material U design, bringing cleaner visuals, better animations, and even more personalized UI elements baked right into the OS. Sure, other brands will slap their own skins on top, but the blueprint, the design language everyone builds from, will be defined by Google. This is what Android will look and feel like as we head into 2026. And then there's AI. With the Pixel 8, Google went all in on generative AI before most competitors even had a strategy. Apple finally responded with Apple Intelligence mid-2024, but its rollout has been slow and underwhelming. Even now in 2025, iOS struggles to match what Google nailed 2 years ago. With the Pixel 10, Google is ready to widen that gap. AI won't be a bonus, it'll be deeply woven into the experience. Google isn't waiting for the future, it's building it. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 10 series. Drop your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.